Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.1.12 on Linux Mint 22. But the process is same on all Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Hit enter, then click on download. See here the latest release is 7.1.12. Then select Linux distributions. Then see here we don't have the Linux Mint, but open terminal more /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu or Debian, and Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so we can select Ubuntu 24.04. Select it. See, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this .debian package. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See here we have the Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then virtual, then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, this is the expected error. See, these are the dependencies not installed. Okay, so instead of installing each one, just try to install one, then we will be able to install remaining. Let me show you. First, copy any one of these, sudo apt install, paste it, hit enter. Now it will ask fix broken install. If you run this command, all dependencies will be installed. Okay, copy this one, sudo, paste it, hit enter. Okay, see, this is going to install all these packages. Okay, so type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed dependencies. Control A, ls. Now install this package again. Hit enter. See, this time we are not receiving any errors. See, we have installed. Now go to menu, then search for VirtualBox. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it, maximize it. See, we got the VirtualBox. Let us verify the version. Help, then about VirtualBox. See, we have installed VirtualBox 7.1.12. Close it. Okay, if you want to create virtual machine, click on new, or if you have an existing VirtualBox pre-built image, you have to click on add. Okay, if you want to create new, click on new or machine and select new. Both are same. Then you have to provide the name, then you have to attach the ISO image, then you have to select the location to store the virtual machine files and folders, then you have to select the type of operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox 7.1.12 on Linux Mint operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.